Welcome to Good Luck Driving School, your premier destination for mastering the art of driving and motorcycle riding in the heart of Pokhara. Situated on the bustling BP Marg, our institute is dedicated to providing comprehensive and professional training for aspiring drivers and motorcyclists of all skill levels. At Good Luck Driving School, we understand that safe driving is essential for the well-being of individuals and the community. Our experienced instructors are passionate about teaching the rules of the road, defensive driving techniques, and essential vehicle handling skills. We offer a structured curriculum that combines theoretical knowledge with practical, hands-on experience, ensuring our students are well-equipped to navigate any driving situation confidently. We emphasize safety and proper riding techniques, helping students develop the confidence needed to ride effectively on various terrains. With a fleet of well-maintained motorcycles and cars, students have the opportunity to practice in a safe and controlled environment. Good Luck Driving School prides itself on its friendly and supportive atmosphere, where students can learn at their own pace. Our flexible class schedules accommodate busy lifestyles, making it easier than ever to embark on your driving journey. Join us at Good Luck Driving School and take the first step towards becoming a skilled and responsible driver or motorcyclist. Your journey to independence and adventure on the road begins here.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.